Being a streamer means producing content in batches. Entire streams generate hours of clips. Yet, many creators unnecessarily fragment the stage of posting clips to their socials by manually uploading them to each platform, rewriting captions, and changing settings repeatedly. It's inefficient and time-consuming, but StreamLadder's content publisher streamlines this workflow. You can choose a clip, connect multiple social accounts, and distribute your content simultaneously. In this video, we're going to talk about how to connect your socials to Content Publisher, schedule clips, use AI-generated captions, and create your own templates. So, without further ado, let's get started. If you're familiar with StreamLadder, you've probably already assumed we start in Clip Editor. If you want a deeper dive into editing your clips, check out our Clip Editor tutorial. Once your edit looks the way you want, click Export. This takes us directly to Content Publisher. Your video will load in just a few seconds. Right away, here at the top, we can see all my connected accounts. One of the best features here is that you can link multiple accounts from the same social media platform and post them together at the same time if needed. Let's say I have 2 TikTok accounts. You'll have to click on the plus button and choose TikTok as a platform you want to connect. Simply log in and grant StreamLadder permission to access that profile. And now it's ready to go. Content Publisher makes posting much easier. It can automatically generate captions optimized for social media, or you can create your own templates, for example, to keep hashtags consistent. You can even select a thumbnail frame or upload a custom image in some cases, just like on TikTok or Instagram. When everything is set, you can post immediately with selected social or schedule your clips for later. Scheduling allows you to choose the exact day and time, and in my opinion, it's just very straightforward and intuitive. Once scheduled, your clip appears in your agenda, where you can view your content in a weekly or monthly layout. And if you ever need to unpublish a scheduled post, it's just a couple of clicks away. Super convenient and easy to manage. And that's how you can make the most out of StreamLadder's Content Publisher. If you found this tutorial helpful, I would encourage you to like, subscribe, and follow us on social media. And with that said, see you in the next one.